Jack the dog. What you doing, pup? Here's my dog over there. I don't know what he's getting into, something. Jack? 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 What are you into over there, huh? I don't want him eating something he shouldn't. What are you doing over there, pup, huh? Be a good boy, all right? Delco Remy 9J28. Well, we'll take it over and see what we can find. All right, got the starter finally. And this is a wet clutch design, so this spacer has to go on there. And I put some silicone in between there and there to go against the bell housing. So let's see if we can get this in there without too much trouble. I don't want to drop that starter. I already did once. And we don't want to do that again if I can help it. So Jack the dog. Got my flashlight. And then we'll get this one in if we can. That was a canzone, wasn't it? Canzone, that's an Italian word. Huh, thought I had that one started. There it is down here. Thought I had it started. We'll have her now, though. Yeah, my wife's Italian, I'm not. Her father taught me all the dirty words in Italian. It's the only Italian I can speak. I can call somebody names in Italian. That's about it.